Welcome to my channel. Here's another video on how to use technology and tools to help make things better. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know on how to get started with LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network. The general perception is that LinkedIn is just a job search portal, but LinkedIn is way more than that. You could connect with professionals and use it as a collaborative platform to strengthen your relationships, upskill with different options provided on the site, use it as a blogging network, and even conduct business with all your connections on the site. When you log into LinkedIn, this is the summary page that you would see. There is a section to update your profile, a section that tells you how many people have viewed your profile and how many of your posts have views. A snapshot of your company page, giving you the notifications as well as the visitors. Recent hashtags and pages that you have been following. The horizontal menu has a search bar option to search for anything on the site. A page to manage your network. A job search portal. A page to view your messages. A summary page of all the notifications. A me option which enables you to modify your profile, update the settings and privacy of information on your account, manage your posts, your activities, the job postings, as well as your company page, as well as the place from where you can sign out from this network. An option called Work, which provides the LinkedIn products and services that you could opt for to help enhance your experience on this network. You can create a post, write an article or a blog. You are updated about today's news and the happenings around you. A summary of articles and posts of the people you are following, as well as sponsored and promotional articles that come out from LinkedIn. And a LinkedIn Messenger to see all your messages. When you go into the profile, this is the page that you would see. I am not going into the details on the profile page as I'm doing a separate video on how to set up a fantastic profile and make it pop. If you have a company page, this is how it would look. Again, I am doing another video on how to set up a professional company page as well. If you go into your network page, you would have a place where you can manage your network, check for the pending invitations, look at the suggestions from LinkedIn search engine based on your company and educational background. The job portal has your saved jobs, the jobs you've applied for, any alerts for the jobs you have set up, and allows you to even post a job. This is the search engine in the job network, and this is where you can manage the alerts that you would like for specific jobs you would prefer. And the final section are job suggestions from the algorithm of LinkedIn based on how you have set up your looking for opportunities as well as the jobs that you have applied for. The messaging page has a collection of all the messages and is a place from where you could reply. The message bar is a better option to do it online. Your notification page will give you all your new notifications as well as a summary of your recent notifications received from various sources. In conclusion, for those who do not have a LinkedIn profile, I strongly suggest you go onto the site and set up a profile today. And for those who do have information uploaded, to revisit your profile and update it to ensure that the right information is being shared with recruiters and prospective customers and employers. My next video on this series on LinkedIn would be how to make your LinkedIn profile stand out from the rest. Stay tuned. I'm sure you learned something new today about how better to use LinkedIn and reap the benefits of this awesome site. Do not hesitate to reach out to me on any of my social media if I could be of any assistance. Please be safe in these difficult times. This is Grenville, wishing you well.